grade ones, and welcome back. My name is Robin and I will be your teacher today. Today we are going to be learning about repeated addition. Let's begin. Before we start our lesson, we are going to practice counting in 5. So have a look at the number charts on the screen and we are going to count together. We will start at 1 and count in 5s. So let's have a look. If we start at 1, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gives us 10. Let's count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to give us 15. And let's count another 5. We get 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are going to carry on counting until we get to 50. So we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's our next 5. And let's count 5 more. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We've got 10 left. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and our last 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Well done, grade ones. Now let's have a look at repeated addition. Today we are going to talk about story sums. When we learn or do story sums, it's important for us to read carefully. When we read the story sum, we need to look for important or key words in the story sum that tell us what to do. So let's have a look at the first example. It says, Gogo bought 3 packets of sweets. Each packet has 2 sweets. How many sweets are there all together? So do you know what the word altogether means? It's very important when we are doing story sum. So when we see this word, we know that we need to find out how many things we have all together, which means we need to add or plus. Okay, so let's have a look at the example. We see over here that here is the first packet that Gogo bought, the second packet of sweets, and the third one. And inside of each packet we have 2 sweets. So now we want to know how many sweets do we have all together. So we are going to plus or add. So we are going to say 2 plus 2 plus 2. And how many is that going to give us? Let's count our sweets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to have 6 sweets all together. And then over there we can write, there are 6 sweets all together. Good work, grade ones. Let's have a look at the next example. There are 4 trees in the garden. Each tree has 2 apples. How many apples are there all together? So again, we see this word all together. And when we see it, what do we need to know? We need to know that it means we need to plus or add. Okay. So as you can see, there are the 4 trees. Here is my first tree, my second tree, my third one, and my fourth tree. And on each tree there are 2 apples. I will circle them. So on the line we are going to write 2 for 2 apples plus the next 2 apples plus the next 2 apples and the last 2 apples. So now I want to know how many apples are there all together. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is going to give us 8 apples. And let's write our sentence. We will write, there are 8 apples, and our important word, all together. Okay, nice work, grade 1. Let's look at our next example. There are 3 children on the bench. Each child has 3 sweets. How many sweets are there all together? So by now you should know when you see all together we are going to add. So you can see the 3 children sitting nicely on the bench and they have their sweets in their laps. So now we want to find out how many they have all together. So let's see. This is the first child, the second one, and the third one. So the first one has 3 sweets. The second one also has 3 sweets. And the last one also has 3 sweets. So let's count how many we have all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all together we have 9 sweets. And let's write our sentence. There are 9 sweets all together. Fantastic work, grade 1s. Let's keep going. There are 6 monkeys on a branch. Each monkey has 2 bananas. How many bananas are there all together? So here is our first monkey, our second one, our third one, our fourth one, our fifth one, and the sixth one. And we know that each monkey has 2 bananas. So let's fill in our sum. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus another 2 plus 2 and our last monkey plus 2. So let's find out how many bananas we have all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know that we have 12 bananas all together. So can you see, grade 1s, when we say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is going to give us 12. So we have said 2 plus 2 6 times, and that has given us 12. So let's write our sentence. There are 12 bananas all together. All right. Let's have a look at our next example. Baby cow eats 2 carrots every day. How many carrots does she eat in 5 days? So let's choose 5 days of the week. Let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So we know that each day baby cow is going to eat 2 carrots. So on Monday she will eat 2. On Tuesday she's going to eat 2. On Wednesday she'll have 2. On Thursday she'll have another 2. And on Friday she will also have 2. So let's count how many she is going to have in 5 days. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So baby cow is going to eat 10 carrots in 5 days. So let's write our sentence. We can say, she will eat 10 carrots. Okay, so as you can see, grade 1s, this story sum was a little bit different because it didn't have the word all together, but we did need to remember to add. So let's have a look at another example over here. Sipho has 2 pencil cases. Each pencil case has 5 pencils. How many pencils are there all together? So can you remember when we see the word all together, it means that we need to add or plus. So here is Sipho's first pencil case, and here is his second one. So we are going to fill his pencil cases with pencils. How many are in each pencil case? There are 5 pencils. So I will draw pencil number 1, pencil number 2, pencil number 3, pencil number 4, and pencil number 5. In my second pencil case, I also have 5 pencils. So pencil number 1, pencil number 2, pencil number 3, pencil number 4, and pencil number 5. So we know that we are going to add. So I have 5 pencils in this case and 5 in the next case. If I say 5 plus 5, it is going to give me how many? 10. Yes, so we will have 10 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus 5 is going to give us 10. So we can say there are 10 pencils all together. Good work, grade 1s. So grade 1s, we can see that repeated addition now becomes multiplication. So if we say 1 plus 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 1, that is going to give us 10. And it is the same as saying 1 times 10 equals 10. So when you multiply a number by the same amount of times you added it, you get the same answer. So let's look over here. If we say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is going to give us 10. And if we say 2 times, how many times did we add 2? We added it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I say 2 times 5, it is going to give me 10. Let's do an example. If I say 3 plus 3 plus 3, I know it is going to give me 9. And it is the same as saying 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay, grade 1. So as we can see, repeated addition then becomes multiplication. So it is important to practice your addition all the time and to remember when doing story sums to read the story carefully and to look for the key words. Thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.